Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed and you've been thinking about subscribing, should I subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen? Is Mr. Belle cooking it right that I'm going to learn from it? Yes, you are. That's all you have to do is ding, hit that button and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. And a lot of people been leaving comments and everything what they want me to do in the Power XL. Can they do it in the Power XL? Sure, you can cook it in the Power XL just as you cook it on the stove. Today, I'll be sauteing Brussel sprout combo. Today, this is a vegetarian dish. This is for your kids to eat vegetables, not just vegetarian, but if you like vegetables, you can mix it up all together. Today, Mr. Belle will be showing you how to do this nice, good combo sauteed today. Today, I'll be using my ingredients. Today, I'll be using 2 carrots, a half of orange bell pepper, a half of red bell pepper, a half of yellow, one pound of broccoli, and 1 pound of Brussels sprouts. I'll be using a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper and 2 spoons of butter, and we'll be doing it together. You can do it on the stove or you can use whatever kind of ingredients you want to put in it and everything. I'm just using salt and pepper today just to give it a nice little taste, and I'm gonna be sauteing in some butter and everything and get that nice crunch on it and everything, make it nice and good. And today I start grating the carrot, and I just have to show you this little grater that I brought, and it's so easy that you can just peel your potatoes with it and they come out nice and smooth. And your carrots and everything. The other day I did some potatoes and it just came out so smooth. And my daughter was using it for some potatoes or something. I forgot what she was cooking. Dad, this right here works so good and easy to do it. And I just had to show you today how smooth and easy it is. Instead of just scraping, you just go right down the line just like this. And it just gets it so, every part of it so nice, just like this. And I washed the carrots, I'm gonna wash them again, but it's so easy, it's better. And just imagine if you had a potato in your hand, you want to hurry up and get through, you can just sit it down like this and just do it just like this. And then just flip and get the end part of it just like that. And you don't have to just scrape, and it's nice and smooth, and it's wide, and it's getting a lot at one time. Like I say, you can buy these at Walmart, or you can buy it if you go to Burlington or any store like that. Just look in the places where they sell different things to cook with, and see how nice and smooth that is. That is smooth all the way around. That is a beautiful carrot. Just like this. And I just have to show you this and everything, because Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. And when I see something, I like sharing it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this top off the Power XL because I can't saute with the top on. I'm going to just set it to the side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on Sauté. Set it on Sauté and set the timer. Set the timer for 375. Put it on 375. Now I'm going to set the minutes. I'm going to start with 30 minutes because you have to give it time to warm up. So I'm going to press start. And while that's warming up, I'm just going to slice these carrots up and everything. I'm going to slice them up nice and good, just like this. So we're going to cut these up nice and good, like this. So, also on these Brussels sprouts, you're gonna have the carrots and everything. It's gonna give it a nice color, nice flavor. It's gonna taste good and everything. The kids gonna love it. And I'm just cut them up just like that. Put them in this water. And you can also do this on the stove. A lot of my videos you can do on the stove, but I've been doing a lot in Power XL because a lot of the subscribers, they have Power XLs and they wonder how to use it, what all they can do in it. So right now I'm just showing what you can do in this Power XL. Cut them carrots up just like that, and I'm going to cut this bell pepper up like that. Just slice it up. You want to give it a nice good cut on it, just like that, so you have some nice pieces of it. And when it's sauteed, this is delicious. You can have this on the side, whatever you want to have on the side. Might want to have some chicken or some beef, or just eat it over some rice. That'd be nice too. Just cut it up like that. And we want to kind of keep it kind of crunched, like you don't want to get it too soft. So you want to feel that crunch when you're eating it. Cut it just like that. Just scrape this right here. Take this orange bell pepper and put it in there. Just like that. Cut it. Just like that. Like I say, I've been trying to go down the list. I have a lot of things on the list that I'm going to do, but it takes time. I'm trying to get a little bit out at a time. Just like that. So what I'm going to do now, feel like it's nice and warm. So I'm going to sit the butter in there. As you see, it's nice and warm. So I put the butter in just like that. Put it all over. So my butter is melted and everything, so I'm just gonna put a little carrots in here and get that sauteed off right quick. As you see, put it in just like that. Stir that up. And soften up these carrots just a little. And I'm gonna put the top on it for a little while. As you see, with top I'm using the lid on it, and I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. So now I'm gonna take my top off, and I'm gonna look at my carrots and everything. They get nice and soft and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw my broccoli in there and let it get nice and good, and put it in there just like that. Let it get nice and little dark green. You don't want it to get too brown, but you want to change that color and let it get nice and pretty. Just like that. I'm going to just stir that up and let it sit for a minute. And in the meantime, you know what Mr. Belle like to do for all you first time watchers? I'm going to sit this top back on here, just like this. And I'm going to wash the dishes. While this is cooking, I'm going to wash the dishes. I'm not going to leave it for the sprouts. I'm not going to leave it for the kids. I'm not going to leave it for the friend. I'm going to wash the dishes while this is cooking. So when this is done, everybody enjoy the food. They better enjoy the food. They won't have to worry about who's doing the dishes. So all you first time viewers, wash your dishes as you go. Everyone will be happy. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to take this tops off. And my Brussels sprouts, it's just a little bit still frozen and everything, so it's going to be like a little water in it. I'm going to put these in there just like this. That's a pound of them. And a pound of broccoli. And I'm going to just put it in just like this. And I'm going to just let that sit and just cook. Let it just saute up. That is looking delicious. And it's a nice little side dish right here. Now I'm just going to put my black pepper in there. Like I said, with all the things, you're not going to taste all this black pepper and this salt. I'm putting it in at the end, so you give it that taste. Put my salt in. Just pour it in like that. Now I'm going to mix it up. Just like that. Mix it up. I'm going to put the top on it. And I'm going to let that sit for a couple more minutes before I take it out. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the top off. Mix it up. It's looking good. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to press cancel. So altogether that's been 24 minutes. So I'm going to press cancel. And I'm going to take it out. That is done. Looking nice and good. So I'm gonna taste it and see how this come out. Try to get a little bit of everything and get some of these Brussels sprouts and a little everything. And taste it and see how it come out. Still hot, so I'm trying to get a little, so I'm gonna burn my tongue. And I'm gonna taste it. It tastes good, and this is your Brussels sprout combo. Have a little bit of everything in it. If you like it, subscribe, leave a comment in the box. And don't forget, if you want to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, that's all you have to do is hit that button, ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and I have plenty more videos to come.